Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Allow Untrusted shortcuts. So let's start. First open the Shortcuts app. Now tap on Create Shortcut. Tap on Add Action and select Web. Now select Filter Articles. Now tap on Next on top right corner. Now give this shortcut a name. Tap Done on top right corner. Now tap on the magic wand icon. And you are ready to go. Now close this shortcut app and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Shortcuts. Now enable Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. Then tap Allow. Now enter your passcode. And your Untrusted Shortcuts allowance will be enabled. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.